Also, was haben wir noch zu sagen in den letzten 3 Minuten?
I'll make it in English actually, bros. So we're here at our first gig actually ever. It's a birthday of Lockpick's assist, so gotta start somewhere, right? Gotta start it from now on. I'm gonna hit you up with some songs.
Hallo zusammen, dürfen langsam alle viel näher kommen. Machen wir so kurz eine kleine Ansage und nachher gibt es unseren ersten Auftritt vor einer richtigen Crowd. Schön sind alle da. Wartet noch ein bisschen, dort hinten schon Leute auf dem Weg sind. Dann können wir noch ein bisschen üben, so den Hip-Hop-Move. Und sonst einfach so ein bisschen mit dem Kopf. Ich und dann. Ja, geil. Ja, die Blutstärke verträgen dürfen wirklich gerne noch ein bisschen näher kommen. Es ist immer schön im Auftritt, ein bisschen näher ist beim Publikum. Ja, was soll ich noch sagen? Action. Sind wir ready? Sollen wir gerade anfangen? Okay. Gut, let's go. Nicht verschrecken. Yeah, schön wir da. Der Geburtstag von der Sophie. Ich den Sport kann nachführen. Yeah. Clap, cause we about to take it back to the boom bap. Act like a cool cat. And clap. And if you wanna rap, just do that. Act like a cool cat. Clap, cause we about to take it back to the boom bap. Act like a cool cat. And clap. And if you wanna rap,
get hot, man, it's gonna take it to you like Rossetti. We are just known to enough, I'm representing and say it, that in mind's good to a save it. Cause I'm not here to fucking with me. I feel like cold breeze on my feet when I put my Nikes aside. When I be with my G's, everyone cool at ease, yeah. That's how it be with me. Vibing and relaxing, this is satisfaction. Any question that you got attention, my time so man, brother, I got a man, bro. Seems like what it should be the next goal. Shit is moving slow. I let it feel it burn while I let it burn slow. Yeah, you know how to get it there, so it's not going to. For a hot afternoon, at the pool party with the high school. Listen to the rock and have a go to the zoo. There is nothing in here that could ruin my mood, so just tag along and join the high school. Yeah, we all cool, all smooth. I'm inside this one roof and we move like clap, cause we about to take it back to the boom bap. Act like a cool cat and clap. And if you wanna rap, then just do that. Act like a cool cat, clap, cause we about to take it back to the boom bap. Act like a cool cat and clap. And if you wanna rap, then just do that. Act like a cool cat.
Rhymes unlocking the skills and the speed is a keyhole. Bro ain't got no skill, always thrill, bro. Kid at the sleepover. If we rewind in the home studio, then just pass me the doobie, bro. And I will pass you the mic, cause the next track is already inside. Nothing's gonna stop that vibe. Revolutionary like we the next tribe. Uprising, surprising like life itself. When I be on the mic, I'm like a turtle getting out of a shell. Because stand up to free life. I just escaped out of real life. Wrench, how would you do it?
This is my go-to for a hot afternoon. It's a pool party with the high school. I listen to the world, get the go to the zoo. There is nothing in here that could ruin my mood, so just tag along and join the high school. clap. And if you wanna rap, then just do that, act like a cool cat. Clap, cause we about to take it back. So you do that, act like a cool cat. And clap, and if you wanna rap, then just do that, act like a cool cat. Yo, yo, bit of noise. Yeah, it's trophy. Action track, so action. Yeah. Okay. Let's get it. Here is suicide, the boys with another one. And quantity and quality, not put for an eternity. That's how we be how we be, how he was and above everyone said and did on fuck. If you know me, then you know what I'm preaching, good. Aside from false morals, fuck what they think, and you have to go execution. I'm taking souls on my scripture. Yeah, you get me, son. Wanna break out that message. Yeah, I wanna break out that message. Fun, yeah, it's right here, son. Right now, it's so interesting. As it goes down the lane, I'm feeling that getting connected. Yeah, ain't no black, ain't no stuff, and we ain't leave like no money to come. You know exactly where I'm coming from. As we watch what's modern sun, philosophy and Nietzsche, and everyone let that sink into you. We spot a tune in the lines of vision. Go ahead and listen. Maybe reflect the best decision and try to improve from now on. Man, that's the mission. And once you have the answers, feelings at the centers of better people. Fuck the noise. That shit's around. That shit's around. It's right here, so right now, that's so interesting. As it goes down the lane, I'm Okay. Sollen wir zum ersten Album, letztes unserem? Let's get it. Cut. But the coolest dudes with the realest roots. Yeah, the coolest dudes with the realest roots. 701 up on the pedestal. You and shit, you come monumental. Now keep preaching, y'all. Cause this boy is gonna take it far. And then if you doubt it, cause that ain't a start. But that was worth it. I've been reaching. Cause what is not now could have not been far. To come decently beyond it. Like it's morning, bro. Could have never killed less. It's so hard. Cause it's not the one around down and it hits me. Can you feel the love? Or are you resisting? I don't wanna wait, just hand me the whiskey. Jump on the back, shit, it's not the interest. Back to the south side, keeping along for the ride. There's no time for the movement. Sometimes I'm back from institution. It's like when you go for a ride. You reach the sky, cause the feelings in life. Around to the right, we see like a lot. There's no friends to run. No matter the morning or the night time. Sweat, that ain't a lie. Sweat, that ain't a lie. Sweat, that ain't a lie. Sweat, that ain't a lie.
Ja, wir sind schon fast in der Hälfte gerade angekommen, schon noch nicht so viele Songs, aber der nächste wird anstrengend, darum gehört, dass du noch Wasser trinkst.
Yo, people stand up, so to the core. Show me sick motherfucker who can take it off. We will both fight through the countless nights. Love to your right, seen a brother holding on tight to the spike. We collide, what a sight in the skies. Never mind, fall out, I'll be the picture from the nights. It's always what you make. Be the feeling though you make it down. Be the one who faces one step till I'm that rich. Maybe don't find money in the funny. How you started that you walking over summer. You can read a million times. All I ever wanted, all I learned. I was checking 100, not a long time ago, man, I couldn't be wrong. Now I really have a brainstorm, come to hardship and lost. I became a gun, so about this world that's new puzzle. With the tech on my cover, yo. To the sky, we go light, what it's like. In the skies, forever bound to the light. It's fun fight, so we rise to the sky. We go light, what it's like. In the skies, forever bound to the light. It's fun fight, so we rise to the sky. We go light, what it's like. In the skies, forever bound to the light. It's fun fight. We rise to the sky, we go light, what it's like. In the skies, forever bound to the light.
Oh, she question that say, maybe born to be great, maybe not. When I think about how long did it take for a song to be made, all the song we're working on it non-stop. It's going on to the day, every song we take will be on top. The managed to be still getting late, probably keep getting late. All the song I'm fucking on, that stuff now. Painting pictures for my future in my head, big fans with your head, straight stands. I've been messing with beats, going mad, beats with the bad, keep going bad. I'm a strive till I'm dead. I'm the guy that told you not to worry about. Always clean hygiene, got the dirty mouth. I don't need to hurry, I'm a killer shit with stamina. Better take a safety call, cause if I'm about to take it all, I get it all.
We go light, what it's like. In the skies, forever bound to the light. It's why we fight, so we rise to the strike. We go light, what it's like. In the skies, forever bound to the light. So we rise to the strike. We go light, what it's like. In the skies, forever bound to the light. It's why we fight, so we rise to the strike. We go light, what it's like. In the skies, forever bound to the light.
Ja, jetzt wird schön sauber.
Danke vielmals noch da. Okay, ja, jetzt sind ziemlich tough, ja? Warum wir fangen schon? Wer kommt jetzt schon? Nachbar.
Yes!
So wir spielen. I feel so sad. Everything is moving breathless. I'm moving on because that's how I'm feeling. Moving on because that's how I'm feeling. You never seek the afterlife, so you'll never see it. Mind overcome, and I just feel it. I just wanna be alive, living life like a fisherman's life. I feel the heat on my feet, setting up with a mic and machines. Leave it all, it ain't much, I need inside. When I cry on the beat, everybody wondering what's wrong with me. Well, first of all, who you gonna call? Set the heat, we don't got it all. Do my brand new song. Are you people there to catch a fall? Shit, stop. I want rock and roll. Satisfy me, so don't mind the man in the slow. Going up, never coming down. I was feeling stuff, but feel better now. Live your shit, have figured out what the fuck this music's all about. Be free, spread the bass inside the fire, raise something else from the past life. It's been on for the better. Motherfucker sunset in the same old spot top. Never be better, never be better. Never seen me better. Nah, I just do my shit and pull levers. Flow start to clever motherfuckers see me sitting on myself. Everything is going on breathless. I'm moving on because that's how I'm feeling. Moving on because that's how I'm feeling. I feel sunset. the afterlife, so you never see it. Mind overcome, and I just feel it. I just wanna be the light, like a fisherman's life.
Yeah. Fisherman's life.
Mind overcome, and I just feel it. I just wanna be the light, living life like a fisherman's life.
Oh shit. I ask you.
Same old shit with a brand new beat. Some old boy with a brand new beat. Same old click, sending these. Damn cold MC we catching feels. Bring it back, keep it real. From the head to the heels. Reality check, fuck the reels, fuck the TikTok shorts or the deep talk bars. Lay back and chill. Head in the clouds, keeping 10 toes down. Kicking mad sounds while you're fucking around. Glad you found us wherever you at. I'll buy you flowers if we ever connect. 808 flat, ready to get. Kicking your face. This is called rap. For the new shit, for the hook that you rap.
Gotta get it all fake. Who the hell is this boy with the super tank on train? And these ladies playing my games, but he's all away. He's all away. It's unstoppable boy in the flow state. What I said should be heard today, stress sounds way too absurd. Letting go of the forces. See the world with a life lost, says some podcast, feel what's calling. And it's all coming down if you ain't on. Reaching out to help, to the helpless, and hope for the hopeless. We awaken deep in other shit with the eyes and the noses. Tell me why we just so different. That's for culture and life is a right to explore and excite the beginning of life. I don't just shot, not with body attack when I scream like it's right. And opinions of a different mind, but it's alright. Let them get to the dive, folks on the shit that we can't change. And got right, let them all gotta get it, it's all fake. But who the hell is this boy with the super tank on train? And these ladies playing mind games, but he's all away. He is all away. Please don't tell the boy in the flow state. Gotta get it, it's all fake. Who the hell is this boy with the super tank on train? And these ladies playing mind games, but he's all away. He is all away. Please don't tell the boy in the flow state.
Yes sir, yes sir. Oh shit, okay, sing that song now. It's a song to the Abschluss. We got the dance I get to play. Oh that. We got the bubble. Now please. Okay. Yo, Jack Jack. Alle Woman. Oh, die kann er. Klar. Yeah.
It's always give and take. Shit yourself up. It's the words that you say. All the next text that likewise took the game away. For you to catch these words as I play. As the hook sings a sing. No one's to the name. The ship on another. Do the feel that bring down again. What's the ground? Taste the freedom that you want. Probably make it come strong. So I guess you went before I said it and wish it roll. Like a seven and get his words attached. Words so sad, I ain't confessing. The voice compressed, and another second. So on fire, man's got blasting. These the games that we play. Overall, just what we win today. So the same, so the same. This rap is just another passageway. Press and regret, press and regret. just wanna win the day, so to say. And so to say this like it's just another passenger. Another passenger, press and replay. Press and replay. Yo! Yo, I'm progress, I'm assisting. Got that high school that assisting. What's this family together for existence? Sacrifices once missing. I would've never been a rabbit. I would put the picture of my position and my passion. Define the nature with a bloody possessor. So you want me to answer. I guess I would love some minutes, but I've been really moving in circles. Efficient movement starting to walk faster.
Mega geil, auch klar, das sind alle sehr gute Scheiß. Danke vielmals fürs Mitmachen und fürs Reinhalten. Vielen herzlichen Dank und Applaus. Ja, das war alles. Danke vielmals.
Yeah.
Sir.
Also, aftermath.
That was dope shit. I'm fucked, but that was dope shit. Good start. Good start.
Right. Oh,